What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel, Buy the Dip. Guys, first I want to say happy Thanksgiving and hope you guys are going to have a great day with your family and friends and have lots of great food and lots of great beverages and have a good day to enjoy with the family. Guys, so real quick in this video, like I said, I want to thank everyone that's supporting the channel, hitting the thumbs up, man. We had a great little run with Golden Nugget, and we're still celebrating, as you can see here. The chart is off to the moon right now. But also in this video, guys, I'm going to bring you some stocks that I think that we need to put on our watch list. And I'm going to go over, I think, a couple stocks that we need to put out there, and we need to keep our eye on it because now that we're getting some gains in Golden Nugget, we want to look for our next play. So I think that we need to look into these next couple stocks here, guys, and I got 3 of them for you today. So let's get into these stocks. The first one here, guys, is going to be a little bit of a gem. And I guess you can kind of call it the Golden Nugget of Canada in a sense. And it's FUNFF Entertainment, ticker symbol FUNFF. Now, guys, you can't get this on Robinhood, but you can get it on Fidelity. Now, I don't know if you can probably get this on Webull and TD Ameritrade and things like that. But here it is. Now, this is a little risky play, guys, because it's only a $41 million market cap. So this is definitely an enter at your own risk kind of deal. But I'm keeping an eye on it, and I'm thinking about possibly throwing like $200 into it. So that way, if something bad happens, I'm only risking $200. So as you can see, though, right now, this thing's only 60 cents right now. So it was up 14.9% yesterday. And it had some actually pretty good news that may make you feel a little better about investing into this stock. And here it is. So it says right here, FUNFF Entertainment joins the Canadian Gaming Association. So here it says, and FUNFF Entertainment, it's on the CSE as FANS, on the OTC market as FUNFF. It's a sports and entertainment company focusing on its technology and regulated online sports betting and related products. It's pleased to announce that it has become official member of the Canadian Gaming Association, the National Trade Association gaming industry in Canada. The membership became effective on November 24th, 2020. So guys, that is some really great news. And I've seen a lot of people talking about this stock down in the comments. So I was like, you know what? It's time that we start looking for our next play because we were popping the bottles. We were celebrating last night, but now we need to find the next stock because LCA is already on its way, guys. It's already on its way. I'm still going to cover it, but we need to start getting our stocks ready for our next play, and this is one of them that can possibly be one of our next plays. Now, the $41 million market cap, it is a little risky, so I'm putting that out there, but they're in $100 to $200, maybe $300, depending on what your budget is. You know, maybe 10% of what your budget is, throwing it in here and hoping for a quick double up. It's a great possibility. I'm thinking about throwing maybe $200 into this stock and to see what we can get on the gains on it because I can throw 200 bucks in there and forget about it and let this ride until it does something. So, and maybe even every so often throw 20 more in, 30 more in, just throw a little bit more into it. So that is the first stock, guys, so let's get into the next one. All right, guys, here is stock number 2 of today's video. That is right. We're looking at BETZ, BETZ. You can get this on Robinhood. You can get this on any pretty much brokerage trading platform. You can get this one. And this is the Roundhill Sports Betting and iGaming ETF. Now, the reason I'm liking this is that this ETF focuses on casinos, online gambling, any kind of sports entertainment. And they're buying it all. It's kind of similar to like an ARK-F, guys, that buys all the EV plays. This one here buys all the gambling plays and sports entertainment plays. They buy up all the stock and they put it into an ETF. Now, if you watched my video from the other day, it was very important to know that BETZ purchased like 170,000 shares of Golden Nugget because I think in the future they're going to announce, once this thing merges, that they're going to introduce Golden Nugget into the ETF. So that is going to be really key, guys, that we go ahead and keep an eye on this stock right now and possibly purchase it as well because once the merger happens and the stock goes up, they're going to introduce it, and I think this thing can shoot up to that $30 to $35 price range, if not even 40, who knows? And it depends what all they have in there. And we're going to look at all the holdings that they currently have in there. And if we go here to the Roundhill Investments website, they have DraftKings in there, guys. Let me get the big head out of the way. They got DraftKings. They have like 5.45% in DraftKings. They have PointsBet Holdings at 5%. Flutter Entertainment at 5%. They got Penn National Gaming at 4.92. They got William Hill at 4.87. They got GBC Holdings at 4.7. Kindred Group at 4.6. Tab Corp at 3.9. Scientific Games at 3.5. And Churchill Downs at 3.4. Those are the top 10 holdings that BETZ have. And I guarantee it, LCA is going to be announced in the ETF as well, guys. It's going to come. It's going to come. And I think when that happens, this ETF is going to shoot up. So I think it's a great time. This one is definitely not risky at all, guys. This one is a nice, safe play because this is a market that a lot of people don't know about right now because all the hype is on the EV market. And a lot of people isn't focusing on the iGaming market, which is where I'm looking to keep my money right now. I'm staying out of the EV, and I'm putting it all into the gambling, online gaming, and things like that because I think this is where the money is going to be. This is going to be the next sector that takes off like all the EV did, man. The gambling online entertainment is going to be the next sector that goes to the moon. So I want to be a part of that moon, and I hope you guys want to join me. Now, this one here, I don't think is any risk at all. The only risk you have is this could dip a little bit. So I don't suggest that you go in and purchase all of your shares at once. As you can see, this is $22.99 right now as it ended. But if you go in, purchase some shares, maybe 5, 10 shares, hang on to them, see what happens. If it dips, you buy 5, 10 more. If it goes up, you can hang on to what you got or you can average cost up. It all depends. You don't want to just go in and buy it all at once because the worst thing can happen, you put all your cash in it and then it drops. So I'm suggesting buy a portion, maybe 5 or 10 shares depending on your budget. Have them in your account sitting there and keep an eye on it every week. What does it do? Is the stock going up or down? If it goes down, you keep buying in more because this play is going to go up over $30 and this could even hit 35 to 40, I think, in the future with the iGaming market and how everything's going to go. So keep an eye on BETZ. This is one that you want to keep an eye on, guys. We're going to talk more about BETZ on the channel. So let's get into our third and final stock of the day. All right, guys, and here's our third and final play. SMILEDIRECTCLUB, ticker symbol SDC. This one here has not even taken off yet, guys. So this is one that I think that you can get in right now and hang on to this, and I think you're going to be okay. Has a $4.67 billion market cap. So this thing is loaded with the market cap, but the stock price is still down. People don't really know about this stock. So I think this is one that we can get into, guys, and hang on to it for a while, and we're going to get some gains in the future because you know why? Everybody needs teeth. Everybody needs to get their teeth fixed. That's what this company does. I'm sure you've seen their commercial, and we're going to go on their website and check out what they got. So let's go here to the website, guys. And they basically have the clear aligners. You can sign up for the club, the SMILEDIRECTCLUB, and they have competitive pricing. That is the big thing. As you can see, the average cost of traditional braces is $6,000 to $8,000. They have the clear liners for $1,950, so about a third of the cost. They also have the nighttime clear aligners for about a third of the cost as well. So this is where I think that this stock is going to take off because people are always getting their teeth done. Your teeth always are going to need some kind of maintenance, guys. So this company is going to be the one that has a great opportunity at a low starting price that we can get in on and cash in them gains. And I have a little possible options play. Now, like I said, these are the stocks today I want to keep an eye on, and we're going to start slowly maybe putting some money into them and building up our position. But this one here, I'm kind of looking at an options play. Now, it is a little bit of a gamble, a little disclaimer. This options play is a gamble, but it could pay off. So let's get into my options play. If you look here, guys, right now on Robinhood, we're going to buy a call, and right now the stock is at $12.11, and I'm looking at the $12.50 strike price, guys. and it's $127. So what that means is you're risking $127 and I'm doing the expiration date of January the 8th of 2021. So that is key. You can go down and pick closer dates, but I want to give this a couple months to work its magic in the stock market and maybe get a little bit of awareness. So that is why I'm picking out the January 8th. Now, I don't know if I'm officially going to do it. I just wanted to bring it to your attention. I may pick different strike prices, but the January 8th, I figure, gives this thing about a month and a half, and maybe people will see it and it'll start going up to the moon. So am I willing to risk $127 for possible double or triple up in my money? I don't know. I'm just thinking about it. That's what I wanted to bring to you guys. We're thinking about these plays today, but I definitely want to get some shares and may pick up a couple cheap options contracts. If I go back here and change the date, I mean, guys, if you look at, like, say, December 4th, I mean, you could pick that up for $37. So that's not bad at all. Are you willing to risk $37? It's just a matter of what week will this thing take off. It may never take off. You may lose your money. But if you don't feel comfortable in the options, you can go in and purchase the shares and hang on to them as long as you want. Which I think I might actually do that, is purchase some shares, because at $12, I think this thing is really undervalued, and I think it's a steal. And this is where we can capture some gains, guys. So, like I said, I'm getting real excited. I'm going to work on my Webull account. I'm going to get that set up. We're going to start a Webull account together, and we're going to start investing, and we're going to start putting money in, and we're going to watch it grow. So that's what we're going to focus on. So I've got to get my Webull account set up. I'm going to have that link down below. You all can download that, use the link. We each get some free stock. It helps the channel grow, helps each our brokerage accounts to grow on Webull. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Join the Thumbs Up Nation. Like I said, I love and appreciate every single one of you. We're going to get back more onto these plays. And guys, I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving with your family today. So guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember to buy the dip. I'm gonna keep it gentle today, guys. Keep it gentle today. It's Thanksgiving. I'm gonna keep it down. So baby, let's go.